What's up? Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneurs and business owners. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step Facebook lead generation technique to grow your business. So be sure to stay all the way until the end. Let's dive right into it. So the first thing you want to know is to know how to grow your fan base. Now we address this thing that's called fan base inside your Facebook page. There's a huge difference between a profile and a page. If you want to know more what's the difference between a profile and a Facebook page, then click the link up above to check out this video right here after watching this. So in order for you to grow your fan base, there are a few things that you need to take note of. The first thing is your picture. When a person goes to your fan base, which is your Facebook page, the first thing they will realize is actually your picture. So you do not want to be putting pictures that are not yourself. Like for instance, you post picture of your kids, your dog, your cat. So this is not building your personal brand. You want to be building your personal brand inside your fan base. That's how you get getting more fans. So that's the reason why please remember to put your own picture that is clear for people to see. The second thing you want to be taking note of is actually the cover photo. So here's an example of my current profile, the cover photo that I'm actually using right now. You might notice that I'm actually speaking with like a mic in front of a crowd. Now you might have this self-doubt right now that Clara, I'm not a speaker, I don't intend to be one. So how am I supposed to have a cover photo that look like yours? You don't need anything like this. What you need to have a cover photo is actually something that looks like this instead. So this has been my cover photo for as long as I've been in the business, and just recently I've only changed it, but I've been using this for a very long time. And this is the kind of cover photo that I coach my students as well inside my paid program that is called Passionpreneur Academy. If you want to find out more about Passionpreneur Academy, then click the link down below to join my free training on what lead automation system is all about. So if you want to set up your lead automation system, don't forget to click the link down below to join it. So basically what a timeline cover photo, you need to have a few factors. So notice that I have a picture right here of my own. So it's very important for you to have a picture of yourself. And then you need to notice the fact that I have a value ladder mission statement right here. I have a statement on what I'm all about. I'm helping business owners and agents to get leads using automation. So what do you do? If you're agents today, who do you help? What do you serve? You need to put it here. So when people stalk your page, they will know like, oh, so this person is doing this thing, and if that is something that I'm looking for exactly, and they can message you right away. So you want to be putting it clear right here. And then notice I have something that is called a call to action. I have a call to action that is sending people to download my lead magnet, my blueprint. So it's very important you have these three factors. This is what you should be putting when you are just starting out. You don't need to have a mic with you and then speaking in front of a crowd and have like a picture like this as your cover photo. What I recommend is having this when you're starting out, because when I started out, I used this, it works perfectly well. And my students in my paid program, they're using this method as well, and they are working it, doing it perfectly well. So you need to be using this as a method to grow your fan base. And the second thing you want to be doing next is to actually link your page to your profile. Now, how do you link your page to your profile? So right here, I'll be putting a tutorial on how to teach you step by step on how to link your page to your profile. The first thing what you want to do is to click on the see about information. So once you click onto it, you're going to land on this thing, this button that's called work experience. Click onto it, and then what you want to do now is to actually type in your page name. So in my case, I put in Clara Chong because that's my page name, and then I want to be putting on I'm the founder at Clara Chong. So what you're gonna see next is to have the founder at Clara Chong on your profile itself. So when a person stalks your profile, they're gonna see founder at Clara Chong, founder at your page name, founder at your page name. You are the digital marketer at your page name. You are the business owner of your page name. You are the real estate agent of your page name. So that is something that you want to be putting so that when a person stalks your profile, they will land on your page. So not only you are growing your page by itself, you're actually using your profile to help you to grow your fan base in your page as well. So you're having these two things to actually grow your fan base. So it's very important for you to do that. The second thing you want to be doing is to post consistently. After you have your page, you want to be posting consistently, because when a person lands into your page, if they see nothing right there, or you are just someone who posts once a while, it's kind of like going to a shop without having any food inside, or you're only having food like twice a week. Who will want to go to a restaurant like this? No one likes to go to a restaurant like this. They want to see a variety of stuff for them to check out on. They want to see what is it that you can provide. You're an expert in your industry today, so provide something that is of value. If you are insurance agents today, then pick something that is of educating people, that is inside insurance, so that eventually when you provide more, you can actually sell more. Something that I usually tell my students is to have this 80-20 formula. You need to be giving values at least 3 times first before you actually start selling. So what I mean by this is you should be posting value for at least 3 times inside your page. Only then you start selling something. What I realize every single time, especially agents, they love to post their property pictures, their real estate, every single thing inside their Facebook page are real estate pictures. Or if you're an insurance agent, everything is the funds and the policy that you're selling. That is not good at all. You need to be providing content first, because what you're selling is of high ticket. So you need to provide more, and then you will be taking more later on. You need to be giving first. It's okay to lose in the beginning, because as you provide more values, your content that you're providing, it will actually compound in the future. It's gonna add up and it's going to increase and have more. That's also the reason why I'm having these YouTube videos right now. I'm shooting YouTube videos. Why do I do that? It's because I want to add up to the compounding effect of my content, providing every single one of you with more values. So that is exactly what you need to do as well for your business. So remember to post consistently. And I get it that a lot of times you might be not having the mood to post every single day. I'm not asking you to post every single day. I'm asking you to post at least 4 times a week. And how do you do that? Here's my technique that I can actually share with you is I usually spend one whole month and pick one Sunday. So in the entire month, I'll pick one Sunday only. I will sit down and I spend about a couple of hours to do and batch all my contents for the entire month. So let's say this month, I will batch my entire content for the following month. And I keep doing that so that I never run out of content. And I'm not someone who posts consistently every day. I am just a person who sits inside my room and I batch the content and I schedule. I use this thing that's called Creator Studio. You can find right here. You can see that in this video right here, you can see every single thing that I have done is I have scheduled my contents for the entire month of the next month. You can see that it's up to September. It's August right now as I shoot this video. My contents are all done for September. So this is exactly what you want to do it, and you can do it using Creator Studio app. That looks like this right here. So this is exactly how you do, so that it doesn't matter if you don't have the mood today, it doesn't matter, your content will still be scheduled because you are not doing it manually. You're using the system to do the work for you. The third thing you want to have is actually something that's called the lead magnet. Lead magnet is awesome for you to bake your audience in. Now, having a fan base is important, but having a fan base doesn't mean that you can make money. Why is that the case? I want you to imagine right here. Facebook is not owned by you and I. It's owned by this guy here that's called Mark Zuckerberg. So it's owned by Mark Zuckerberg. So if Mark Zuckerberg suddenly doesn't feel like he's in the mood and wants to close down and shut down the entire Facebook, what happens to all your fan base inside? They disappear together with Facebook as well. So how do you not prevent that and have your own database? That is where you have something that's called lead magnet. You want to have a lead magnet to attract your leads and want these people to first, you want to attract them. Second, you want these people to actually give you their name and email address so that you can have the database that you own. When you have their email address, you can follow up with them and do whatever you want because now they are the database that you own. This is exactly what you want to do for your Facebook page. Do not miss this step out. I see a lot of people, they're having a lot of followers, like 10,000 over followers, but they are missing this step right here. If you can't convert this fan base to the database that you own, you're not in a business. You're just having the vanity metrics, likes, comments, and shares. And all these things doesn't equals to money in your bank account. So in order to change that, you need to have something that's called lead magnet. If you want to know more about lead magnet, how do you do a lead magnet of your own, then check the video right here after watching this video. So what you want to do for lead magnet is something like this. Notice that right here in this image, I've actually pinned my lead magnet right on the top. You can pin the lead magnet in your Facebook page. So when a person stalks your Facebook page, there is a lead magnet pinned right there. You can see that that lead magnet that I was showing you right now, that I'm showing you right now, is actually me like squatting down holding like this. So it's actually a hook for people to opt in. When they click into it, they will be taking my lead magnet. And I'm going to be honest with you that 99% of the time when the person download that lead magnet that I was showing you just now, they will opt into my webinar. And the chances of me closing them inside a webinar is extremely high because they are the one who wanted to opt in. So remember to have that thing pinned right up on your page. You can easily do that and pin it up to the top right of your page so that when a person see it, they're gonna opt in, and now you have their email address. So you don't only have fan base, you also have a database that you own. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.